There, the dolphin just jumped right there. He jumped way over there. There he goes again. Jumped all the way out of the water to the wave. There you go, right here. Should be right over there. Where are you at? I just jumped out of the water right here. I'm all quiet and stuff like I'm out there. Way up closer. Right in there somewhere. I don't see him. He's be cruising right in there. I don't see him right now. Wow, it's crazy out there right now. Monster waves. Where is he at? Where is he? I know he'd be jumping right there in the sunset somewhere. That's what's so amazing about the beach. Catch like a video of the dolphin jumping in the sunset. That would be ideal. So there was a creature down there assaulted a woman, so I'm gonna try to get him. I chased him and shoved him, called him some names, which only because he assaulted the lady. I should have beat him down, called the police. But I think I can find him. I know what it looks like. So I'm gonna have to try to put a stop to that. Ain't gonna be the lady said ow, and he really rammed into her hard in the shoulder. So yeah, we're gonna get his shoulder rammed. Shoulder ram. That's not right. We're not gonna have calm creatures going down, assaulting the people here that are visiting. Not gonna happen. Not on my watch. If I get in trouble, that's too bad. Somebody should have been doing it. I gotta do it. I see it, I do it, take care of it. Can't help it. Not gonna assault women. Not here, not in front of me. Yeah, I'll be looking for him a little bit later tonight. Take a little walk downtown. Probably be able to find him tomorrow. There's a lot of people that come out. Just sit in one spot on the beach, wait for hours, usually catch him. The water's so warm.